Alright, we're going to go on a tour of the TV collection using our little helicopter friend. That wasn't very pretty, but sorry about that. And that's the Predicta right here. Then we're going to go and look at the RCA. That's the RCA. We're going to heel and peditate over this way. Sorry, Sylvania. That's the Sylvania. That's the Emerson. I got a little bit of a breeze from the air conditioner came on. Sorry about that. There's the Portacolor. Well, that's a Minx Jet, by the way. That's an electric ducted fan. Over here, let's just circle around a little bit and get a little oriented. We're going to drop down and take a look at the Packard Bell right there. And below it is an RCA. And I'm losing power quickly. Here's another. I'm sorry, that other T was a GE. This is the RCA. And another RCA color set. And a Ford Philco. Anyway, alright, enough of that. Let's have some fun. Let's fly, baby. Can he pass the old... Whoa! Almost got the antenna. Okay, now we're going to come in for a soft landing. Hold on. There we go. And that's that.